Hello, how are you? Let's see what is money laundering and what is Prevention of Money Laundering Act. We have seen many people, many actors, politicians being arrested or being questioned, being summoned by the ED. Recently we saw Jacqueline Fernandez was summoned by the ED and she was questioned. Even Noura Fateh was also summoned and questioned in this matter. So 2,200 crore rupees were involved in this matter. So what is money laundering? So money laundering happens when money is money is made by illegal means, drug trafficking, into terrorism funding. So when someone make money illegally and then they proceed and or the sum of money goes into buying some jewelry, some real estate property or anything to legitimize the money or to make it legal, then that tainted money remains tainted. And when ED finds out that somebody has tried to make the illegal money or try to convert that illegal money into legal money, then they questions the person who has tried to do so. So a case is going on in Supreme Court of India about the interpretation of Prevention of Money Laundering Act. Kapil Sibal is arguing for the petitioner. So the main argument that Kapil Sibal is giving is that the Prevention of Money Laundering Act is not rightly executed or it is not applied in the right way, because when a person is summoned by the ED, that person do not know why he has been summoned. If ED questions him and then arrest him, that person do not have right under the PMLA Act to have his ECIR, that is Enforcement Case Information Report. It is like FIR, but in under PMLA it is called ECIR. So what happens is, if ED summons a person and arrests him, that person do not receive ECIR by the ED. So when ED arrests a person and do not give copy of ECIR to that arrested person, that person cannot avail all the grounds that are available that should be given to him for his bail. So when such person applies for bail, it's obvious that he won't be able to prove his innocence or prove his case that he is suitable person to get the bail. So in most cases the arrested person do not get the bail. Kapil Sibal argues that the provisions of PML Act are against the fundamental rights of arrested person. So our arrested person has certain right, and one of them is to know the allegation made against that person. So when the ED Enforcement Directorate refused to give the copy of ECR to that person, it violates his fundamental right under Article 21. So the main argument that Sibal is making is that the person who is arrested under PMLA Act should have similar rights that a person arrested under IPC Act has. So let's see how Supreme Court interprets the Prevention of Money Laundering Act and whether it gives the right to the arrested person to have copy of Enforcement Case Information Report so that he can support his claim or support his position in the court of law.